in a secluded grove where the whispering wind sang through the emerald leaves, there stood a remarkable tree. It was no ordinary tree, mind you, for its bark was etched with grooves, spiralling around the trunk like the ridges of an ancient phonograph record. Local villagers who passed by on warm summer evenings called it the singing tree. The legend of the singing tree began with a humble craftsman, a shoemaker whose heart beat with the rhythm of music. He was a man of unassuming talent, crafting simple wooden instruments that filled the air with melodies as gentle as a mother's lullaby. One day he stumbled upon this very grove and decided to carve his masterpiece from the wood of this peculiar tree. Strangely enough, as his chisel caressed the tree, it released a sound and echo of the shoemaker's own humming. Fascinated, he continued to carve, and the tree sang back to him, capturing the notes of his everyday life, the laughter of children, the clink of tools, the distant howl of a wolf under a silver moon. Each sound, it seemed, was ensnared within its bark, waiting to reveal its secrets. As the years passed, travellers came from lands afar, drawn by tales of the tree that recorded time itself. They would press their ears to the bark, hoping to hear the tree's symphony, a cacophony of life preserved against the silence of eternity. Yet, the tree's greatest mystery lay not in its ability to record sound, but in the echoes left unheard. Did the tree capture mere echoes of the past, or did it also record the thoughts and dreams of those who leaned against it? Could it somehow hold the whispers of souls unheard by all but the tree itself? Enigmatic and timeless, the singing tree remained a guardian of melodies, its secrets rustling gently in the breeze. And while many sought to unravel its mystery, the tree stood silently, posing a question to all who dared to listen. In a world brimming with noise, can we truly hear the stories of the silent?